Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Let me guide. In this video, I am gonna tell you guys how to use text to speech on TikTok. So, let's start. First of all, tap on the TikTok application, then go to your profile. After that, you will tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. You have to go ahead to record the video. First, hold this button for some seconds to make the video. After that, click on the tick button at the right of your screen. Once you have done so, then add text from the top of your screen. So, this is the text. Tap on the done. Once you have done, what you can do at this point, just tap on the text that you will see very first option, text to speech. Tap on this foreign. That's all. If my videos is helpful for you in solving your issues, then give a thumbs up. It will help me to grow on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let me guide. And must press the bell icon to get notifications of my videos. Thank you.